Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Sarla Yoga. Who are watching my video for the first time, please do subscribe my channel for more videos. Let's start our class today with the breathing exercises. Present pandemic situation, we have to increase our immunity power. To increase our immunity power, what are the breathing exercises? Let's do today. The breathing exercises names are, first one is we'll go with Nadi Shuddhi, Surya Bhedana, Kapalabhati, Bhramari and Bhastrika. Okay, now let's start class with the Bhastrika.
Sit in meditative posture in a comfortable posture. Keep the back erect and aligned with the head and adopt Chin Mudra with the left hand and the right hand. Slow breathe in and slow breathe out. Concentrate on your breathing and follow the music. Now, close the thumb inside and four fingers close near to your chest. While doing breathe up, hands up and breathe out, hands down. Bhastrika involves a rapid and forceful process of inhalation and exhalation movement. Forceful inhalation, hands up, exhalation, hands down. Inhale, exhale. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Slowly repeat it. Forceful breathing and forceful breathe out. Inhalation up, exhalation movement down. Inhalation should be up, exhalation should be down. Continue. Observe the breathing. Forceful breathing, forceful breathe out. Slowly relax in the Chin Mudra. Observe the calmness of the breathing, coolness. Observe the breathing. Don't divert your mind. Keep your back erect. Concentrate on the breathing. Slow breathe in, slow breathe out. Concentrate. Don't divert your mind. Concentrate. Don't open your eyes. Don't open your eyes. This is Nasika Mudra. Now we are going to Nadi Shuddhi. It's similar to Alom Vilom, with the difference that inhalation and exhalation are done through alternate nostrils. Sit erect in the comfortable posture. Close the right nostril with the thumb of the right hand. Inhale slowly, steadily and deeply as long as possible. Follow the entire course of the breath by feeling the movement of air. Do not hold the breath inside. Release the right and close the left nostril with the little and the ring fingers of the right hand and the breathe out through the right nostril. Again breathe in through the right nostril and then breathe out through the left nostril. This forms one round of Nadi Shuddhi. To start with one, we have 9 rounds and this can gradually be increased to about 25 to 30 rounds. Early morning and late evening are good times for this practice. Relax slowly. Deep inhalation and exhalation. After every breathing exercise, you have to observe your breathing. Observe the change. Your lungs and your body is feeling very happy. Now we'll go with Surya Bhedana Pranayama. Adopt a Chin Mudra with the left hand and Nasika Mudra with the right hand. Close the left nostril with the ring finger. Inhale and exhale through the right nostril. Inhalation and exhalation only through the right nostril. Remember, okay? Right side is a Surya Vedana. Left side will be the Chandra Vedana. So we are activating only Surya, sun. We are activating heat in our body. This completes 1 cycle. Practice it for 9 cycles. Those with a high blood pressure may avoid this pranayama. The benefits of this Surya Bhedana pranayama is produces heat in the body. It helps in weight reduction. It is good for common cold, and it also increases the immunity power in our body. In the present pandemic situation, we need to increase heat in our body. Now slowly relax in the chin mudra and keep observing the breath in your body. Don't divert your mind. If you do it in concentration, everything you're conscious of your mind should be in the breathing. You can feel the heat. Now slowly we'll go with Kapalabhati. Exhale forcefully using abdominal muscles. Inhale passively by relaxing the abdominal muscles. Repeat as quickly as possible, starting with 60 strokes per minute and increasing gradually up to 120 per minute. There is no holding of breathing. Keep observing. Now we will go with Bhramari. 4 fingers on your eyes and the thumb fingers close near your ears. Bhramari is a female bumble bee or humming bee. Fold the tongue and touch the upper palate with the tip of the tongue. Take a deep inhalation. As you exhale, make the humming sound loudly as long as possible you can. Keep the lips closed and the upper set of teeth and lower set of the teeth should not touch. This completes 1 round. Repeat it for 5 to 10 rounds. This pranayama calms down the mind. It is good for insomnia and thyroid. Reduces the mental stress. It has a positive impact on ears. Reduces the blood pressure and helps in overcoming anger. Continue the practice. Be sound as much as possible. Do the take deep breath in and breathe out by doing the sound of musical humming sound like a female bee. Slowly repeat the cycle several times. Slowly exhale. Slowly exhale while producing a sound from the mouth of nose. Slowly release. Repeat it several times. Don't open your eyes. Continue with the meditation after completing Bhastrika, Nadi Shodhana, Surya Bhedana, Kapalabhati, Bhramari. After completing all this, go with the meditation. Don't open your eyes. Feel the 5 positive vibrations around your body. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.